time has come. We have finally hit 1,000 subscribers.
Let's party.
Firstly, thank you to everyone who has subscribed and watched our content over the last couple of years. For us, this is a great achievement, one that seemed so distant when we first started this channel, and we sincerely thank every single one of you. And what does this mean for our channel? Well, it's the beginning of a few new adventures in our story. Firstly, we have purchased ourselves a 3D printer for the studio, a brand new Elegoo 8K Saturn II. And after many hours of tinkering and failed prints, we've finally got it in a good place to start printing some really good resin models. And we hope to incorporate this into some of our upcoming content, along with our regular Warhammer content and general painting and hobby tips. And we've also launched a web store to help try and fund this channel, which will be able to purchase Stalwart merchandise such as this t-shirt here and some general hobby products. And you'll be able to read our painting blog, which contains some content that has not been recorded and some stuff from my personal hobby journey. And lastly, I think it's about time that we ran a competition on this channel. To enter this competition, simply make a comment on this video with a suggestion of a 3D printed model that you would like to see. The person who made the comment that we chose will receive the fully painted miniature. So come up with some ideas of models you'd like to see. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, we'll find a way to get it to you. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone once again, and I also want to get some ideas for what to print on this 3D printer. So get typing and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.